Morning students, welcome back to GK and aptitude class, and today we will start chapter number 11 of aptitude word usage. Okay, answer the following questions. Which word is the odd one out? Adequate, satisfactory, suitable, elevate. So elevate is odd one out. Why? Because adequate, satisfactory and suitable are similar. Elevate's meaning is different. It means raised or high. Number 2. Which word has the incorrect spelling? Excuse, cancel, desirable, laser. So the spelling here is mistake. CANCELL it should be. Okay. So this is incorrect spelling. Number B. Number 3. Which word goes in the blanks? Dash is a person who buys goods and uses services. So the answer will be consumer. Consumer is a person who buys goods and uses services. Number 4. What is the second word in this jumbled sentence when it is in the proper order? If you arrange these words in proper order, what will be the second word? Slow air are poison, bad is. So the answer will be slow air is a bad poison. So slow air. Air is the second word. So this is number B. Air is the answer. Number 5. What is the last word when these words make a proper sentence? Naughty are children usually. So if we arrange it in a proper sentence, the answer will be children are usually naughty. So naughty is the last word. Naughty, number B is your answer. Number 6. Which word is the odd one out? Neglect, inclination, dismiss, omission. Neglect, dismiss and omission is similar. Inclination means liking or preference. So inclination is odd one out. Number B is the answer. The rest from 7 to 10, these ones you will find on your own. Okay, this is your homework. Next, let us move on to chapter number 12. Okay, let us see what is there. Analogy is there. Okay, non-verbal, this is part B, non-verbal aptitude, analogy. Okay, A, let us see the objects. Here what it is given? Cork. This is badminton. With ball what goes? Bat. So this is the answer. Okay, this is 0, ear. So for eyes we use spectacles. So eyes is your answer. Okay, so this one, let us see. Train, track is given. For bus, road is the answer. So B number. Let us see. This is hotel and this is the food. So this is gym. Okay, gym, for gym this one will go. B number is your answer. See, for hand, gloves. For legs, socks. Okay, C number is your answer. Next, from 6 to 8 is your homework. You will do on your own. Okay, so next let us move on to B number analogy. Let us see. Tick the right choice. You can see plus is on the top, minus is in the bottom, as well as it is shaded. Just the opposite is here. Shaded part is on the top, minus, and plus is at the bottom. So if you see, this plus is on the top and multiplication sign on the bottom, as well as it is shaded. If you do just the opposite of this, then this is the answer. Shaded part on the top, multiplication mark, and the plus mark here, what, at the bottom. Okay, now number 2, you can see plus, shaded and point. Just the opposite, point, shaded and plus. So here multiplication, shaded and plus. So here the answer should be plus, shaded and multiplication. So D number is your answer, just the opposite. This one you can see, point is given in this box and rest is empty, and here 4 parts are done for this square and it is in the last box. Okay, so for this also we will have 4 parts, isn't it? 4 parts, and since this is here, then the point should be in this corner. So this is your answer. Number 4, you can see the box. Here it is, point is here, and here this side point is here. So the answer will be this one, because the point should be in this side corner. Okay, so this is B number is your answer, and the rest 5 to 8 is your homework. Okay, you will do on your own. So let us move on to next page. Chapter number 13, patterns are given. Okay, here you can see point and shaded, shaded plus, point, shaded, shaded plus, then here the answer should be point, shaded. So number B is your answer. Okay, so what comes next we have to find out. Repeating. Okay, repeating patterns. Here you see U pattern is given and 2 points. U pattern 1 point, U pattern 2 points, U pattern 1 point. So U pattern 2 points will be your answer. That is number C. Okay. Now number 3. See the box, this side corner is the point. This box, this side corner. In this box, this side corner. In this box, this side corner. So the next pattern will be this box, isn't it? So this box is that, this one, this the left hand side corner point. Next, number 4, you can see the arrow, and this, in this arrow there are no circles. Okay, in this arrow there are circles, in this arrow no circles. So the next will be circles, isn't it? Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is your homework. You will find the pattern on your own. Okay, next number B, repeating. Let us see repeating patterns. You can see the arrow and this side slash and this side line is given, and the arrow is this side, isn't it? Now the arrow is this side and slash is here. After that again the arrow is this side and slash is given. Now the arrow is in the top. Again the pattern is repeating. This one is repeating here. Again this one is repeating here. So next what we will repeat? This one and this one. So this one and this one is repeated. You can see the point of the triangle is this side. Here the point is this side. Here the point is this side. And then at the top again this pattern. Again this pattern. So this and this will be repeated. Okay, seeing the pattern you will just do the repetition. You see this one, circle is in the middle of the square. On the top, middle, on the top, middle, then on the top, middle, on the top. Like similarly you will do this one. This one also we have to give the next 4. So here a star is given and plus, plus star, star plus, plus star. So star plus, plus star, star plus, plus star. Okay, now the next 3 is your homework. See the pattern and do on your own. Now let us see in the next page. You have to see the pattern and do it on your own. See the pattern. See the circle is on the top, and in this the circle is this side, then the circle comes here, then the circle comes here, and the next which is not given, then the circle will come here. After this the circle is coming here, then again circle is coming here, then again this side. So see the repetition of this circle. This point is repeating from here to here, then here, then here, then here, then here, again here, again here. So accordingly you will do the repetition. Okay, seeing the circle's position. If it is here, then next the circle will be here, so you will do it here. Next, if it is here, then the circle will be here, you will do it here. Okay, and this one also See the repetition. Here, then here, after that here, here, then here, after this here, then here, then here, then here. So you will do the repetition accordingly. See these patterns also. Star is given there and plus is in between the circle. Star is given. Then triangle here, plus is given, star is this side, isn't it? So for triangle also, if the star is here for circle and in the next circle star is here, then if in the triangle star is here, then in the next star will be this side. Okay, again the star is here, here the triangle this side, then again for this circle star will be here and for triangle star will be this side. Okay, similarly see this one, point star, then it moved like this, point star, then it moved like this, star point, then it moved like this, star point, then it moved like this, star plus point, then it will move like this again, plus and point. See the position, plus and point. Here this position is coming again, so we will repeat again. So this position will come, then it will come this position. Okay, next this patterns. So accordingly you will see the patterns and do on your own up to 8. 5 to 8 is your homework. Next we will move on to D number. Here let us see, tick in the answers figure which comes next. You will see the pattern, first line, then the line will come here, then from here it will move this side, then from here if it is moving this side it is coming down, then in next pattern it will move like this. So this is your answer, C number. Here line is given, here 1 circle is given, here 2, here 3, then the next will be 4, isn't it? In this you can see 1 and 2, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5, then next it should be 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, next pattern, 4 number, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, then the next will be 5 square. So D number is your answer. Okay, so next 5 to 8 is your homework. Okay, chapter 13. This is chapter number 13. So in chapter number 13, E number, growing patterns, also you will see. Okay, growing patterns, E number, see like this, then 1 point, shape of triangle, and 1 point plus 1 triangle, here 2 triangles, 2 points, 3 triangles, 2 points. Next see the shape of triangle, then 1 point is added, again shape of triangle and 1 point is added, like this. Here 3, then 1 triangle is added, here 4 triangles and points are added. So I have already done the patterns. You can see and understand easily how it is done. So you will see the patterns and you will do it on your own. Okay, if I have done, you can see, you will see and do it on your own. Okay, up to 8. In the next page also a same thing is given. You have to see the patterns and you have to fill in the boxes. Okay, so these all are your homework. Next, G number, I will explain you in the next video. Here we end our class. Till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.